Well, good afternoon. Today's video, oh, geez, I forgot do I need them? Yeah, it wouldn't hurt. I'll go get my glasses, my sunglasses. Anyways, today is January 21st, 2026. It's around, almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, Pacific Standard Time. I think I'd be ready for this. Anyway, here's the boss. It's a Coco. Yay, Coco! Anyway, so today's video will be basically digging dirt and greasing the excavator. Got to do that. Figure what the heck, I'll film it. Put it on. Eventually put it on YouTube. And that's basically what we're doing today. How have you been? Good to hear. Same here. Been kind of busy. Real estate's been busy, which is good. I'm thankful. I can thank the Lord. It's a cloudy day today. You can see the mountains. So, just wanted to show you that. So, just so you know what we're doing, we're continuing to dig dirt with our dump trailer connected to the excavator. We're moving this dirt and sifting the debris. We can burn all that. It does burn. We've had pretty dry weather lately. No rain for the last, I don't know, 10 or 15 days. So that stuff should be pretty dry. Remember all the firewood we split? You were on, those are the previous videos. Anyway, thank you for keeping me company. Appreciate it. Appreciate you. Always kind of a combination of that. And there she is. This door's a little easier. Okay, I'm bringing in on every aspect of it. Remember, we always check the oil. Let me get the wagon out first, the dump trailer out first. Something nice about this stuff is it's light. Here. Oh, let me bring you in. Show you what we're doing in here. Maybe I didn't. Okay. Always check the oil. I don't need 2 hands to do that. And there it is. You can see it. This is it. Make sure it's good. And yeah, looks good. See, it's all the way up on the thing, and you can kind of see it's It's all the way to there. So we're good. Probably need to change it soon. I like to change the oil in this thing quite frequently. The small air-cooled engines. I'm pretty rough on oil. Okay, we got that. So start it. I'll turn this like this. Right, come on, you still with me? Good. Keys going over here. I like to turn it over a few times. Just get the oil slinging around in there. And that should be good. One more time. Yeah, okay. Choke. Needs choke. That's what we're trying to fix, is get rid of these ramps. So, let me see if you could see me. Yeah, getting you up high makes a difference. There we go. I'll let it warm up a little bit. we need to grease it too. Here, let me do this. I think this is probably the best spot for you. You don't really have to worry about sun or maybe I'll grease it right here. Let's go get the grease gun. I think it'll be a lot easier than over there. Let me go get the grease gun. No, I'll bring you with me. Well, I had a DeWalt carrying case for, I'm not sure what it was, nail gun or some type of saw or something. There we go. And there we go. You see that? It's a Harbor Freight Bauer brand. Looks good. I like it. I loaned it to my friend. He really liked it. Check the grease. I think it's a new tube. Put the battery in here. Just check the battery first. Push this little button in the back. There we go.